Greetings guys and welcome back to Be Auto Space. My name is Bernard. For the new guys in the channel, kindly ensure that you subscribe, like the video and share if possible. Now, we are back again at Jamhuri Car Bazaar, and today the prices are a bit reasonable as compared to what we had last time. And also we have supercars. You can see kuna hii convertible. We are going to tell you the make and of course the price. The budget for today, the least budget ni 300 and the highest budget ni 1.25 million. Kindly understand that, mwelewe hiyo. Ile gari ya pesa ya kidogo kabisa ni 300, ya pesa ya juu kabisa ni 1.25. Sawa. So let's proceed. So we have got this Volkswagen TSI KCU number plate, white in color. Nakuja na sporty rims, you can see, very clean, accident free. It's a 2012 model, 1.3 liter petrol engine with an automatic gear transmission, fully loaded car. 5-seater of course, convertible. You can see the interior looks very clean, of course ni leather. If you are looking forward to owning this car, come with 1.25 million. I think that's the highest budget that we have today. 1.25 million Kenyan shillings. Now, if you are interested and you are ready, you can call or WhatsApp. If you are still working on your finances, please visit Facebook page Be Auto Space. You'll see the photos there. Next, we have Toyota IST 203 model. This one is a 1500 cc engine capacity. Of course, hii inakuja na engine ya Probox. Actually, many of them zinakuwaga 13, but for this one ni 15. So you understand power and of course good performance that this car comes with. And of course in terms of consumption yake iko chini. So it's a fully loaded car as well. Silver in color, accident free. Year of make ni 2003. I think we have said that. KBM number plate. So with a budget of 540, you are good to go with this car, right? With a budget of 540, please come for this car. If you are interested, just call me or WhatsApp me. Sawa. Now, the reason why sometimes I don't show the numbers that are there, some of the numbers that are indicated on these vehicles are for brokers or rather middlemen. And there's one person who called me and told me that, Ben, there's a vehicle that you displayed. I told that person to bring the car so that I can view the car. That person requested for 20,000, right? And hiyo video niliona hapa kwako na jamaa akaniitisha 20,000. For me, I don't ask for any amount to maybe to bring the car for viewing. You come by yourself, but if you insist, nitakwambia uweke mafuta ndo tukuletee gari. So huyu mwenye aliitishwa 20,000, I'm not aware of that. Please, that is the reason why I don't show the numbers, so that you don't blame me later. Ukiitishwa pesa unakuja kuniblame. I don't want to carry that blame. That's why I don't show the records that are there. Now, next tuko na hii Nissan Days 2018 model, 650cc engine capacity, fully loaded car, very clean, slightly used in Kenya actually. Is it slightly old? Yeah, slightly used. So you can see the interior looks pretty clean. Watu wangu wa Uber, you can come for this car. A premium car actually, very neat, very clean, accident free car. So with a budget of 940, come for this car. With a budget of 940, please come for this car. And now to avoid people telling you to send money for their for fueling the car, please, I'm not going to show the details. If you are interested, just call me so that I can get in touch with the owner directly, so that you can come and view the vehicle. Sawa? Yeah. So venye tu nimekuambia, huko utapata mtu amewekelea namba yake hapo. Ukipiga simu unaambiwa utume pesa venye huyu jamaa aliambiwa akakuja kunilaumu. Please, I'm not doing that. Okay, let's proceed. The least budget that we have today is 300. And I think this is the car that we have for 300, Toyota 110. Year of manufacture, naona hapa ni 205 which I doubt. I think this should be around 2000 or 2001 if not 1999. Manual is a manual gear, 1300cc engine capacity, 5-seater, accident free, with a budget of 300,000. That price is not negotiable, by the way, ni fixed 300,000. Please come for this car. Sprinter, Toyota 110 Sprinter. Yeah, so with a budget of 300,000 you're good to go. This is the least budget that we have today. Now you see, people are failing to understand our captions. We always say the cars that we are going to display ranges between lowest budget to the highest budget. Ni kitu rahisi sana kuelewa. Sijui mbona watu wengi wanashindwa kuelewa kitu kama hiyo. Unapata mtu anakupigia anakuambia hiyo Mercedes KDR yenye umeweka hapo ya 270. Surely. Mbona msemi ile bei nyingine? Kwa sababu naekaka bei mbili hapo hivyo. Ile least na ile most. And people tend to ignore the highest budget and they only say hiyo gari yenye umeweka hapo yenye umesema unauza sijui 270 sijui 170. Yes, hizo za 170 pia ziko within that video, but sio hiyo ya kwanza. Kama ile ya kwanza umeona hapo hivyo, hiyo gari haizi toka 300. Na utapata mtu anasema hiyo Volkswagen TSI, hiyo Golf TSI ya 300,000. Aya, kindly understand our caption venye huwa tunaeka magari zetu. Aya, kwa hiyo gari kuja na 300. Now next tuko na Nissan X-Trail. Mwenye alikuwa anaulizia Nissan X-Trail, nimeona jamaa na inquire about Nissan X-Trail. We have got this one here for you. And the reason why I always insist that you call me so that we can liaise with the owners of this car for further discussion is to ensure that the process is smooth, professional, and of course there is accountability and proper due diligence is done, right? Because for me, I cannot allow you to buy a car without doing your proper due diligence. There are so many people who get conned because of failing to do proper due diligence. Sawa. And that is something that through Be Auto Space, I can't allow you to do that mistake. I don't want you to give a testimony of how maybe you lost some funds here and there trying to buy your car. So hii Nissan X-Trail ni ya 2006. Engine capacity ni 2000, alafu ni automatic na ni black in color. Kitu ingine ni kwamba the car is an accident free, haina issue yote kuhusu accident. Alafu kitu ingine ni buy and drive. You can see it is pretty good with a budget of 680. Please come for that car. Aya, so you can choose for yourself. You can either go for that Nissan X-Trail or you can come for this Toyota Allion with the same price, 680. So we have Toyota Allion 206 bado 1800cc. Kumbuka X-Trail ni 2000cc, hii ni 1800cc. So it's you to decide on which one are you going for. Now, hii gari tunataka 680,000 and you can see the car looks good. It looks pretty good, I mean. Let me show you the interior. Of course ni 1800cc. Kumbuka Allion kuna kuwaga na 15 na 18. Sawa. You can see the interior looks so much good. Some leather seats there, 4-power window control system, some nice wood finishing over there, and of course comes with a bit of how do you call it, as space in it. Infotainment system iko hapo fully loaded as well. So let me show you the odometer reading, 148,467. Probably that seems to be a new engine on this car, which is a plus to someone who is going to buy this car. So wherever you're going to buy a car and you find the engine has been replaced by a new with a new engine, do not shy away from buying that car. In fact, that's the best. Mgonjwa akipelekwa OC atibiwe, huyo mtu anakuwa in better condition. So don't shy away from buying such car, but ensure that there is a proper documentation for the same. Don't buy that car unless you see a receipt that was used to purchase that engine. Sawa, isikulete mambo mengi. Haya, so kwa hii gari kuja na 680. Let me show you the bonnet, I mean the bonnet area. Engine iko sawa, no loose part, kila kitu iko sawa. Chassis ndio hiyo iko hapo. So with a budget of 680, please come so that I can help you find this car. The reason why I prefer that you deal with me is the experience that you'll get. Sawa, everything itakuwa sawa. You can see the price is 680,000, but just to avoid people telling you to maybe send money so that they can bring you the car, I'm not going to display the number. Haya, so let's proceed. Next tuko na hii Toyota Probox KDK number plate. Gari ni ya 2016, white in color. This car is on offer probably because with a budget of 790,000 Kenyan shillings, what else are you looking for? KDK 790, please come for this car. That's a good price for this unit considering hii ni gari ya 800 huko 850, but with 790 negotiable. That's a fair price. Yeah, so usikwame kwenda nyumbani kwa kukosa gari. Hizi magari zote ziko hapa, even their services are up to date. So ukikuja ni wewe unachukua gari, unaweka mafuta, unaenda home. Sawa? Yeah, so inakuja na 1500cc engine capacity with an automatic gear transmission. Pretty clean. And the interior looks awesome. Some bit of space. And of course, if you're looking for something that is multi-purpose, you can use it for business purpose or other commercial use. But at the same time, you can use it for personal use. You can blend the two functions in the same vehicle. So that is Probox for you. Toyota Probox can help you manage those two functions. But with a low budget of 790,000 Kenyan shillings, you are good to go. Kama kawaida, kwa wale ambao bado wanataka tu kuona picha, please visit Be Out of Space Facebook page. You'll see the photos there. And for those who are ready and want to buy, please call or WhatsApp. Sawa. And also ensure that if you are booking, you book in advance. For instance, hizi magari zenye tunaonyesha hapa ziko in one place in Nairobi. They're in different places. Sawa. Aya. Next tuko na Nissan Hardbody. Watu wangu ambao walikuwa wanatafuta pickup, kujeni hapa. So tuko na nyinyi na tuko na hii gari. You can see the car looks pretty good. Exterior appearance looks so nice. No dent on the body. That means this car is an accident-free car. But some few scratches at the front bumper. Very minor. Only buffing can clear that. So with a budget of 930, please come for this car. With a budget of 930, call or WhatsApp so that you can get more information on the same. Ndio hiyo. Gari ni ya 2006. Engine capacity ni 2700cc engine capacity. And ni diesel by the way. Yeah, so gari ya kazi ndio hii. Niliona watu wengine wakisema tuonyesha pia pickups. So ndio hizi pickups. So for me, upon your request, I always respond accordingly. Kiniambia niwaletee lori. Kuna wenye waliitisha lori, wengine hata wakanipigia simu sijui mara ngapi. Nikaenda nikawatafutia lori. Kutoka hapo wakanyamaza. Siku hizi hata sijui kama bado wana watch ama waliacha. Haya, kuna wenye wameitisha pickup for so long, nimewaletea no response. Kuna wenye wameitisha Probox, nimewaletea no response. But that is the nature of the business, I understand. So kwa hii Nissan Hardbody, please come with 930. You can see kwa bonnet area kila kitu iko sawa. Everything is okay. Just buy and drive. The owner is kind of a very friendly person. I talked to him and he assured me that if I get a client, it will be well and good. Last but not least, we have Toyota Succeed, and this one is a 2012 model, silver in color, 1.5 liter petrol engine na transmission ni automatic. Pretty good car. KCV number plate, a 2012 model, 1.5 liter, of course we have said that. So with a budget of 795, that's a fair price for this one. Please come for this one. And you can see it also comes with the boot light. So what else? If you have made it to this end, kama kawaida, Ben is always thankful for your support. Ben is always grateful, and please come and promote Ben so that at least we can also grow. You see, when you do the promotion, when you promote us, that is when we can grow. But if you don't promote us, we cannot grow. We know, we understand we have some people who don't want to promote, but I know a good number of you want to promote us. So please kindly do so that we can at least expand to offer our services better and more convenient. Thank you so much, guys. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year in advance. See you in the next video.